In exercise 5.6, seventh question related. The question is find dy by dx if x is equal to sin cube t by square root of cos 2t, comma y equal to cos cube t by square root of cos 2t. This one derivative we need to find. Say this is a lengthy question, so you watch carefully. First of what we are finding, dx by dt, later dy by dx, dy by dt, then dy by dx is equals to dx by dy by dt by dx by dt. This is the process to find dy by dx. See now, x is equals to what? Sin inverse of t by under root of cos 2t. So x is the variable in terms of t. So I am taking the derivative on both sides with respect to t. Then dx by dt is equals to right side of d by dt of sin cube t by under root of cos 2t. So it is in the form of u by v. The derivative of u by v formula is v into du by dt minus u into dv by dt by v square. That is nothing but u v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So this is the formula. So here u is the numerator, v is the denominator. Just you apply this formula. Then under root of cos 2t into d by dx of sin cube t minus sin cube t into d by dt of under root of cos 2t by v square, that is cos 2t under root whole square. Here square root is get cancelled. Now dx by dt is equals to, here square root get cancelled, denominator what? Cos 2t. That one I written here 1 by cos 2t. Understood? So here square root get cancelled, denominator only cos 2t. Thus that one I written here 1 by cos 2t into square root of cos 2t as it is derivative of sin cube t. How we are finding derivative of sin cube t? It is in the form of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? X cube derivative is 3x square. Just here sin x, sin t you take as x. So that is 3 sin square t, and sin t derivative we are finding, we are writing down. The derivative of sin t is cos t. What is that? Derivative of sin t is cos t. Okay, minus sin cube t derivative of root of cos 2t. So it is in the form of root x. The derivative of root x is 1 by x. Derivative of root x is, derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of cos 2t. Next cos 2t derivative we are writing. Cos 2t, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. So minus sin 2t. Next 2t derivative, 2 into t derivative 1. You see again how we apply the derivative. First we apply derivative on square root, later cos function, later angle. 3 products is there here. What are they? Root x derivative, cos theta derivative, and angle derivative. This is a composite function, so the derivative one after another later. Here 2 is get cancelled, remaining first derivative constant 3 under root of cos 2t sin square t cos t minus into minus plus sin cube t sin 2t by under root of cos 2t. Now this 1 by cos 2t as it is, under root of cos 2t is LCM. 3 into under root of cos 2t into under root of cos 2t, that is cos 2t. Root x into root x, x. Similarly, square root of cos 2t into square root of cos 2t is cos 2t. Next to sin square t cos t as it is, the sin cube t sin 2t also as it is. This is our dx by dt. Dx by dt we got. Now we are finding now dy by dt. What is the y? Cos cube t by under root of cos 2t. So you apply the derivative now. Now dy by dt is equals to dy by dt is equals to d by dt of cos cube t by under root of cos 2t. So it is in the form of again u by v. Here what is the u? U is the numerator, cos cube t. What is the v? V is the denominator, square root of cos 2t. So you apply. So square root of cos 2t into derivative of cos cube t minus cos cube t into derivative of under root of cos 2t by under root of cos 2t whole square. Square root did cancel. So this is 1 by cos 2t. I will written here 1 by cos 2t. Next to square root of cos 2t. Next derivative of cos cube t. It is in the form of x cube. There we find sin cube. Here cos cube t derivative. X cube derivative 3x square. So 3 cos square t. Cos t derivative is minus sin t. I will written here. Next to minus cos cube t as it is. Next to derivative of cos inverse of t. Derivative of cos inverse of t. So you see. See now. So cos cube t into derivative of 1 by derivative of x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of cos 2t. Next to cos 2t derivative is minus sin 2t. 2t derivative is 2. You see here minus cos cube t. Next to 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into minus sin 2t into 2. Here next to 1 by cos 2t as it is minus 3 into square root of cos 2t cos square t sin minus into minus plus cos cube t sin 2t by root of cos 2t. Next step we are taking LCM. So minus 3 into root x is x, so cos 2t into cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t. Now dy by dx is equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. Now this is dy by dx, dy by d equals to dy by dt is this one completely as submit. Next to dx by dt, you substitute to dx by dt. This is dx by dt. You see 1 by cos 2t by 1 by cos 2t get cancel, same denominators get cancel. Remaining I will written here. Remaining I will written in next step. See what is the next step. Now remaining I will written here. See now next to minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t is equals to sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. In case of theta here t, so 2 sin t cos t. Next to 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t as it is plus sin 2t as it is. Again sin 2t is equals to 2 sin t cos t. Here what we did here, sin 2t is equals to 2 sin t cos t I substituted. So in numerator and denominator I am taking common sin t cos t. What are taking common? Sin t cos t. That is remaining is minus 3 cos 2t as it is. Here cos square t is there. What we take in common? Cos t. So cos t written. Remaining cos t written. Sin t already taken common. Next to cos cube t into 2. So 2 into cos cube t is there. Sin t cos t I am taking common. This one we take. So 2 into cos cube t. This one you see. 2 into cube t. Understood? Next, denominator sin t cos t. So remaining 3 cos t, cos 2t, 3 cos 2t. Here sin square is there, one sin is common, remaining sin t, cos t all will take common. So remaining next place in next term 2 sin 2t is there. So sin t cos t get cancelled in numerator and denominator. Next cos 2t. Cos 2t is equals to, we have three formulas. In sin and cos, in cos, in sin. So total we have three formulas. So you see, actual original formula is cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. In terms of cos, 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of cos what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So in numerator, I have written sin cos 2 theta, I have written in terms of cos. So 3 minus 3 into 2 cos square t minus 1. Cos t as it is plus 2 cos cube t also as it is. Denominator 3 into cos 2t is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square t. Cos 2t is equal what I written here? In terms of sin I written. So sin t as it is 2 sin cube t. Now you take the multiplication. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 cos square minus 6 cos square t into cos t is there you see. Cos square into cos cube minus 6 cos cube t. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into cos t is 3 cos t plus 2 cos cube t. Denominator 3 into 1 3 into sin t. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 sin square into sin cube t. Next plus 2 sin cube t. Numerator you see minus 6 cos cube plus 2 cos cube total minus 4 cos cube t. Next plus 3 cos t as it is. Denominator 3 sin t as it is. Minus 6 sin cube plus 2 sin cube, that is minus 4 sin cube. In numerator I am taking common minus, so minus 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is the remaining. Denominator 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t is, that is the formula for sin 3t. So sin 3t minus this is equals to 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is cos 3t. So what we got here? Minus cos 3t by sin 3t minus cos by sin is cot. So minus cot 3t is the dy by dx. This is our answer. Okay, this is a very lengthy question. So minimum 2-3 times you watch this video, then you are getting complete answer. Now I will show complete answer. Now you see, for notes everything just you watch carefully. So this is our answer. So once you write this complete solution and you practice, then only you will get that answer. So you write once, you practice twice. If you get any doubt, again you watch this video. This is a very lengthy question, so that I left this one. So I am solving for single question. I am providing one video. See, practice with this question.